Good morning. How are you? I hope you are very okay. I'm very okay also. Today is Friday of NFP. Today is Friday of NFP. And not only is it not only is it an NFP day, but a high probability is that today will set the center stage for this month's move. So historically, all right. So GBP USD. So today we have NFP, and NFP will set the center stage for so NFP will set the center stage for today's move. My bias is still a buy. Why? Because price has hit our monthly sweet spot level in the monthly time frame. We also have a very clean fair value gap in the monthly time frame. So when you see GBP USD consolidating, it is because we have a very clean fair FVG here, which has just been filled this week. So price has just been oscillating around that level for the whole week, and now today NFP is what we are anticipating, that NFP is going to give us an entry to the long side. So this is our fair value gap here between this week and this week. We have this gap here. It's called the gap of inefficiency. So that gap of inefficiency is what has been filled this week. Now, historically also, GBP USD is usually very bullish during this month. So the month of March, GBP USD is usually very bullish. So we have our monthly and our weekly outlook. Now we can drop into the 4-hour. So when we drop into the 4-hour, we have something very interesting. So since Wednesday, price has just been oscillating around this level. Okay, so our anticipation is that during NFP, or even right now, but most likely during NFP, we are going to see a close above. So that is what I'm expecting during NFP. Those are my expectations. That maybe price will actually give us an entry to the long side. Price will actually give us an opportunity to go long. So let me screenshot this. So that is my only plan for this session. I'm not convinced enough for a sell, so I'll not be going in for a sell or a buy unless you have a confirmation that we are going up. We can check on gold. So gold actually did something very interesting. So when you draw this wick from this level to this level here, you'll get a very clean entry, which gold gave us yesterday. So I'm also anticipating that gold is going to continue the trend to the upside. It will come and break these lows, highs here, these equal highs. So to me, it's a matter of waiting. It's a matter of waiting and then executing once the setup aligns. So I'm not in any setup, I'm not in any trade right now because first my target for this week has already been met, so I don't see any need to be in the markets once my target has been met. Number two, yesterday and today also we are having a very slow session, especially right now. So now you can also check US30. So yeah, today I don't have a lot of analysis because for me my targets were met on Tuesday and I don't see the need for engaging this market today, especially on NFP. I can come back in to commentate on the market during NFP, but I'll not be actively be in the market trading NFP because NFP is usually a double-edged sword. So today you have made money, then tomorrow you have lost money. So they are saying that NFP the employment change will be lower than the previous ones. That means weakening of the dollar. Further weakening of the dollar. So if you have any question before I leave, you can ask me. because that's my analysis for today. But I'll be back during NFP today because I also want to see how it's going to behave. So from 4:30, but my anticipation is that this pair is going to give us it's going to be a buy, a serious buy for the whole of this month. So for GBP USD, for gold, for Euro USD, for example, gold, if gold does something like this, then I will be very happy to get in, because it will have broken all these levels here. Even this level, it will have broken all, even that level. So my entry on gold is directly correlated by how easy I'm going to get that setup. If it is not easy to get that setup, then I'm not going to be getting in. So thank you for your time. Let's meet during NFP.